Hi, I'm back at Chessington. It is Vampire's 35th birthday. So we are here at Chessington today. It is also Easter and it's also half term, so it could be a bit of an interesting day. We do have some different bits kind of going along today, but you'll see that further in the video. But first, let's head to Vampire and wish her a happy 35th birthday. Okay gang, we have got new coffins! Love this. Also, look who else is here. That's so sweet. That's so sweet. We've also got her birthday card here today. Okay, there's far too much excitement. I'm gonna go calm down in a sensory space. So I'm gonna go on Gruffalo. I'm 30, I love the Gruffalo. I have to go on it at least twice every time I'm here. So I'm gonna head on Gruffalo! And then we're just gonna kind of see where the day takes us. So far, we're off to a resounding start. Gruffalo is on 5 minutes. So I am absolutely buzzing. Buzzing! Things that will make me sick. Easter donut Sunday. Also want to get my hands on some of these today. I need to pick some up for Political, myself and Sean. Yeah. Love a limited edition beer. So I found £1 on the floor. And I'm going to go to the Arcade Museum. I didn't win. I wanted to win a pull-up, but I did not win. But we put on our brave face and we keep going. So we are just having a little mooch, having a little waddle. We've already been on Gruffalo. I'm not just gonna like dance Vampire straight away. I just wanna, obviously like if you saw my last video, I really came for Merlin and Chessington. You did catch me on an off day. Did I upload it in anger? Probably. I still stand by what I said, but at the same time, like I still want to show my love for Chessington. So yeah, we keep moving. Not a drill, she is spinning. First time in history. Yeah, fair play, she's spinning. Okay, so if you haven't guessed, we are going on safari. I haven't done this in, well, forever. So buzzing. Little tip for you, sit on the left hand side. Okay, so we are currently just waiting a minute because there's a rhino holding up the other truck. It does happen, it's quite normal, so it can sometimes cause delays. You don't need to like, get stressy or anything about it, it is what it is. And then basically when it moves and the truck can carry on, then obviously the next truck can go.
Now, look closely everyone. How many animals you can see so that we can document the number of this herd.
In the wild, the giraffe population has dropped by 4.
That was so stinking cute, and we saw so many animals as well. We are nailing Chessington. We are nailing Chessington today. All right, let's continue our mooch. Construction update. I'm a short woman, all right? Can only stand on my toes so long. But that was your construction update. Okay, so we have just been on Vampire, and now I'm with Sophia, by the way.
Hello.
And now we are heading into Dragon's Fury. It was so good to get on Vampire. I realised I haven't really spoken to you for a while. I had to stop, had a beer, got my Vampire cans.
More beers and a bit.
Yes. But first, Dragon's Fury. Me and Sophia just found so much. It was insane. So Sophie, what was that? Sophia and Marcus are gonna grab some food. We're just gonna go and chill. Maybe grab another beer. Yeah, that was so intense. I don't like spinning. We know this about me. Why do I do this to myself? These tablets cause nothing but confusion. Okay, so I got another beer. I got a vampire beer. Forgot to film it again. So I'm going to go 3 for 3 and try and film it when I get another one. But we are now heading to the log flume.
I actually think we're going to go to the gift shop to get an ice cream.
Oh yeah, ice cream first.
Marcus,
Ice cream first. And then log flume.
You're okay while we're doing that?
Okay, we've been distracted. What do you wait?
He's across the barrier. Look at him sat in the tree.
Who is this man?
Look at the man in the tree.
Just don't cross barriers. We're on an Easter egg hunt. We had a Magnum and now we're on an Easter egg hunt. We might go to the log flume later. But 4 grown adults are on an Easter egg hunt. But they're only letting us do 2 copies because apparently it's just for kids. But
It's an S.
fine. I feel like I keep coming to the Sea Life Centre. If you haven't seen my Alton Towers vlog, I went there as well. I'll link it below. Okay, so obviously this vlog is super all over the place. Sophia now has a hat. We did the Easter egg hunt. The answer is something. Basket.
No, we do
It's basket. Oh, I've lost her, ladies and gentlemen. We are heading our way to Tiger Rock.
we can do warning, don't
But we won an Easter egg. So, oh yes. Mine's in Sophia's bag.
Warning, don't watch if you want to know the code.
Yeah.
Don't watch
Warning!
the code.
I've already told you what it is.
Chessington, Merlin, please don't hate us.
Baskets. Basket. Whatever. So it's very, very warm. So we're going to head to Tiger Rock next. Hopefully all the effects are still working like they were last time I was here. So let's go.
I've not seen the
Get a bit
cave.
moist. Okay, the crowds have descended. It's getting hot as well, it's getting humid. So, we are...
When this first came in like 2 years ago, and we got
so we have been on a barrel whale out and we are soaked. We're gonna go and dry from the sun like a few little lizards.
look at you. Fucking hell. Hell yeah.